So hello guys, today I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks. How can you use your iPhone and have fun? So yeah, first of all, the first feature that I want to share is actually voice control. So did you know you actually can use your voice to control your iPhone? And yeah, this is how you can enable it.
So to do this, first navigate to accessibilities. Then, the voice control over there. Yep, just click it. Then set up voice control. And, you're good to go. And this is what you can do with voice control.
Open camera. Go home. Open settings. Tap Wi-Fi. Go back. And another feature that I didn't know like 2 days ago. So this is backtap. So you can, did you know this logo right here, the Apple logo, it's actually a button kind of. So if you can make it so that when you click it 2 times, the camera opens like this. Yeah, this works, and well, this is how you enable it.
So first of all, go to settings and then search backtap. And it will take you to accessibilities and then touch. Now scroll down and here click on backtap and then select.
And the fourth thing that I want to share, the third thing is, just for this, is actually, did you know you can use your phone to, you can pick photos from Safari and much more. And I have a video explaining it here. The fourth and the final feature that I want to share is, well, you can duplicate yourself like this. And I was fortunate enough to capture one myself here. So yep, I have 2 videos in the description that explain it well. And this is using the default camera app using the feature panorama. So yep, this is what I wanted to share. These are the 4 tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.